appreciate you taking the time to. You're all I've got in this place.
You don't know.
No?
What about your name?
I should know my own name.
See, now I know more about you than some of my closest friends.
It's pathetic.
This one's Ava. She's funny, she's tough. A little neurotic sometimes, but I get used to it. You can tell she's been through a lot in life, but it's only made her stronger.
Call me Ava.
Ready?
I can't do this by myself.
It's a good thing you're not by yourself.
Do I have another Debbie Dugas situation on my hands?
Are you serious?
I have never seen you so attentive with a patient. You're always there, checking your stats, running tests, doing research.
It's my job.
No, it's my job.
You're so good with me. What's wrong with you that you can't be this good with someone you have feelings for?
I have every reason to go. Because medically, there's no need for me to stay. You knew when I couldn't even speak who I was. You named me Ava, and I was more me as Ava than I'll ever be as Rebecca. Alex, I'm asking you to give me a reason to stay here. A reason from you.
Jeff loves you. He's a decent guy.
Alex, give me a reason.
My name is not Ava! You made it up! It's not me!
But Alex, we do not get unlimited chances to have the things we want. And this, I know, nothing is worse than missing an opportunity that could have changed your life. And no matter what her name is, she'll always